working. This is totally working. Let's talk about the 4-inch wheel. This has become a fan favorite for many reasons. This one is amazing for sub-occipital release by just simply laying down and placing these nodes, whether they're the less pressure nodes or the more pressure nodes, on the back of your skull. There are other ways people are using the 4-inch XR wheel, and I'm going to show you how. This wheel is going to be a little more challenging to actually roll on since it kind of stops halfway with these nodes. I've seen people do it. You definitely can. Whatever works for you and feels good for you. But what I'm going to demonstrate is the static pressure release using the 4-inch XR wheel. A lot of people are using this for their SI joint, right around here. Find whatever node works for you. Oh yeah. You're going to really need to sink into this one. Breathe it out. It's going to be intense. Another great way to use this is on your hip flexors. So again, this is going to be a static move where you're just laying on this 4-inch XR chirp wheel. Lay it nodes up. This one is going to be more pressure than this one. Nodes up, right into the hips. And we're just gonna stay here.